Now 14 sum of problem set 2, they have given that in an isosceles triangle, length of the congruent side is 13 centimeter and its base is 10 centimeter. So let us take triangle ABC as an isosceles triangle, and the congruent side AB and AC they have given equal to how much? 13 centimeter, and the base here it is BC, that is equal to 10 centimeter, and we have to find out AG. AG, why we have to find out AG and not GD? Because they have said find the distance between the vertex opposite the base. So which is the vertex opposite to base? BC is the base, the vertex opposite to base is A, and we have to find out the distance from this vertex up to the centroid G. So AG distance we have to find out. Over here in an isosceles triangle, these are the congruent sides. So on the base, this line is also the perpendicular bisector, it is also the median, and it is also the angle bisector. Only in an angle, in an isosceles triangle, this side, the segment AD will always be all the three. It is also the median, the perpendicular bisector, as well as the angle bisector. So where segment AD is a median, therefore point D, so point D will become the midpoint of side BC. And since segment AD is perpendicular bisector also, so AD is a perpendicular bisector also, therefore angle ADB will be equal to how much? 90 degree. Now I told before that point D is a midpoint of side BC, so BD will be equal to how much? BD will be half of BC, so that's equal to half into 10, that's equal to how much? 5 centimeter. So this is how much? BD is equal to how much? 5 centimeter. Now triangle ABD is a right angle triangle. This triangle ABD कौन सा type of triangle हो गया? Right angle triangle. Triangle why? Because ADB is equal to 90 degree. So triangle ADB is a right angled triangle. Since it is a right angled triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. Now we have to find out first the full length AD. So we'll find out AD square. Now what is AB? AB is equal to 13 square is equal to BD is how much we have got? BD we have got 5 centimeters. So BD is 5 centimeters, so 5 square plus AD square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. Therefore AD square is equal to how much? That is 13 square minus 5 square. So that's equal to 169 minus 25. Therefore AD square will be equal to how much? 144. So what will be the value of AD? AD will be equal to how much? Root of 144. Therefore AD is equal to 12 centimeter. So we have got this full length equal to 12 centimeter. AD we have got 12 centimeter, and we have to find out AG. And point G is what? The centroid. Point G is the centroid. Why? Because AD is a median and point G is on the median AD. Therefore point G is a centroid, and we have studied last year in 9th standard that centroid divides segment AD in what ratio? 2:1. So AG upon GD will be equal to how much? 2/1. Therefore AG will be equal to how much? 2x, and GD will be equal to how much? X. Let us take the common multiple as x. So AG will be equal to how much? 2x, and GD will be equal to how much? X, and all together that is AG plus GD is equal to how much? AG plus GD is equal to how much? AD is equal to AD. What is AG? 2x. What is GD? X. And AD we have got how much? 12 centimeters. So that is equal to 12. Therefore 3x 2x plus x is equal to how much? 3x is equal to 12. Therefore, x is equal to 12 upon 3. Therefore, x is equal to 4 centimeter. So we have got the value of x equal to 4 centimeter, and we have to find out what? AG. And AG is how much? 2x. So AG is equal to 2x. Therefore, AG will be equal to how much? 2 into x is how much? 4. Therefore, value of AG will be equal to how much? 8 centimeter. Now, this sum can also be solved by Apollonius theorem. So, next I will show you by Apollonius theorem how to solve this sum. Now, solution. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle and AD, therefore AD is the median, and point G lies, and point G lies on AD, on seg AD. Now, how do you come to know that AD is a median? Always in isosceles triangle, not in any acute angle, in isosceles triangle, AD is the perpendicular bisector, AD is the angle bisector, and AD is also the median. That means from the point A, it goes up to the midpoint of the opposite side, that is a base. So in isosceles triangle, AD is always the median, and point G, therefore point G lies on segment AD. Therefore BD is equal to how much? Therefore point D is the midpoint. Midpoint of side BC. Therefore BD is equal to how much? Half of BC. That's equal to half into 10. So that's equal to 5 centimeter. So we have got BD is equal to how much? 5 centimeter. Now in triangle ABC, seg AD is a median. Since it is a median, we will use Apollonius theorem. Therefore, by Apollonius theorem, AB square plus AC square is equal to twice BD square plus twice AD square by Apollonius theorem. Now what is AB equal to? AB is equal to 13 square, and AC is also 13. So 13 square is equal to 2. BD we have got how much? 5 square plus 2 AD square. Now 13 square is how much? 169. So 169 plus 169 is equal to 5 square is how much? 25. So 2 into 25. 2 into 25 plus twice AD square. 169 plus 169 is how much? 238. 338. 338 is equal to 50 plus twice AD square. Therefore, 338 minus 50 is equal to twice AD square. Now, when you subtract, you get how much? 288. Therefore, 288 is equal to twice AD square. Therefore, bring this 2 below 288. So, AD square is equal to 288 divided by 2. Therefore, AD square is equal to how much? 144. Therefore, AD is equal to how much? Root of 144. That's equal to 12 centimeter. Now, we have got AD. Now, we have to find out AG. Now, we have studied last year the centroid divides AD in ratio 2:1. That is, therefore AG upon GD is equal to 2:1. Now by invertendo, GD upon AG is equal to 1/2 by invertendo. Now do componendo, therefore GD plus AG upon AG is equal to 1 plus 2/2 by componendo. Therefore GD plus AG is how much? GD plus AG is AD. So AD upon AG is equal to 3/2. Now we already have got AD. AD is equal to how much? 12. Therefore 12 upon AG is equal to 3/2. I'll show it over here. Now bring this 2 and 3 down and take AG on the other side. So 12 into 2/3 is equal to AG. 3 4s are, so AG is equal to how much? 8 centimeter. That is 4 into 2 is equal to 8 centimeter. Then write down the answer. The distance between the vertex and the opposite base and the centroid is how much? 8 centimeters. So write down the answer. Answer is very important. Since I am not having place, so I'll just tell the distance between the vertex opposite the base and the centroid is 8 centimeters. So that is the answer of this question.